Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at all four cases that we see here that are specifically designed for the iPhone XS Max. And they're brought to us by Supcase. Let's go ahead and check out the UBSport. So if you're really looking to step up the look of your iPhone XS Max, then you're going to want to check out these cases from Supcase. Check all these out. They're military certified for drop protection. They support wireless charging, and they look great. Let's get right to them.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, taking a closer look at these cases, all I have to say is that, boy, do they look fun. Look at all these colors. We have a gray on blue, yellow on kind of like a creamy color, black on gray, and then we have that creamy color again, almost like a pink with the red. They all look incredibly sharp, and they're all designed to protect your iPhone XS Max. As we take a look at this case, you'll notice that it has a lot of flexibility. It's made out of a pretty rigid TPU material that's going to protect your phone in the event that you do drop it. Matter of fact, what we're going to do is we're going to put our iPhone XS Max just in it, and you'll notice how easy it is just to slap this in. Very easy. And what we'll first look at is screen protection. So as we look at the corner, and this does have a Whitestone dome glass tempered screen protector. And what you can see is it does rise above it. Now as we turn this over, the other thing that we'll look at is the glass protection of your camera. And notice also how it rises above it. And you'll notice that your logo also is protected. The buttons are nicely raised, as you can see there. And we'll flip it over here again, and you can see how it's raised. You do have access, really quick access to that vibration lock. And then over here you have your cutouts. They're all really nice and generous. Now, while the finish is a soft finish and somewhat satin, I don't feel that it's going to fall out of your hand, but it's also very light. It doesn't add any weight to the phone. Really nice look. Let's go ahead and take a look at what each one of these will look like on your phone so you can get a sense of each one of the cases. So I'm going to take this one off, and then I'm going to try this next one. And it's really easy to put on. You'll notice how all I'm doing is slapping it on. And so, again, this is the yellow. We'll flip this over. You can see how that looks right there. All right, really nice. We'll go ahead and switch it to the next one. Now we'll check. I think this one's going to be my favorite. I don't have a lot of bright color cases, but this one really goes well with this color. See how nice that looks? I'll flip this over. That's what the screen protection looks like. I'm kind of partial to the blue and this black and gray. And then my last pick would be the red one. Which one do you prefer? What colors would you go with? They're all pretty colorful. So look, yeah, that looks pretty sharp. I like the way that stands out. You can see how that looks at an angle. Really sharp looking. We'll put it right there next to each other. So you can see how that looks. Let's go ahead and test the wireless charging next. Now to wireless charge the phone, all we're going to do is place it on this wireless charger and see if it lights up. So go ahead and place it right on top of it, and you'll notice the little logo came on indicating that it is charging. So all these cases support wireless charging. So that concludes our review of these four cases from Supcase. Which one do you like? Do you like the gray, the yellow, the blue, or are you a fan of the red one? Let me know in the comment area below. Would love to hear from you.